Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all where we stayed during our Prague trip. So we stayed in the hotel Ibis Praha Old Town. The hotel is located right in the city center. And this is also a great budget-friendly option. And honestly, the best part is the location. Just a short walk from all the major tourist spots. So the check-in starts at 3 p.m. but if you arrive early like we did, you can leave your bags at the hotel and head out to explore. So here is a quick look at our room. It's small and simple, nothing fancy, but super clean and well kept. We booked the room with 2 single beds. We barely spent time in the room since we were out most of the day, so this was more than enough for us. So we paid 90 euros per night, but the price may change based on demand, so it's better to check and book early. So you can book directly on platforms like Expedia, Booking.com or other booking websites. Overall, I would say that this hotel was really good choice for a short city stay. This was budget friendly, clean and also a great location. If you are visiting Prague and want to stay central without spending too much money, definitely check out Ibis Praha Old Town. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.